Hi everyone and welcome back to Steam Beast Detailing. Today we're detailing a Cascadia Freightliner semi-truck that was involved in an accident. It was repaired and stayed for months in the yard. Our client wants us to clean it because it was sold and the buyer is coming to pick it up this afternoon. There are layers and layers of dust all over. Dust on the instrument cluster, dust on the vents, dust on the cup holders. We can also see pieces of glass all over this truck as it was involved in an accident. Dirt on the floor, on the curtains, all over. Very thick dust covering the seats, no rips in the leather seats, nice leather, vinyl trim. A really nice truck other than all the dust covering it. The dust and dirt looks like cement stuck all over the surface of the truck. The vinyl, the leather, it's covered everywhere. This, my friends, is a very, very dirty truck. The dirtiest we've seen in a long time. As you can see, there are layers of dust all over the windows, the controls, the door. Very dusty. The door frame is completely covered in dust and dirt. As this client and many others know, have no fear, Steam Beast Detailing, team to the rescue. Underneath all the dust and dirt, there's a Cascadia waiting to shine again. This is not a complete and detailed video. Just the before and after shots of a very, very dirty truck. We steamed and cleaned, and after 2.5 hours, it looked amazing. The buyer is coming today, and after 2.5 hours, it was totally transformed. It looked amazing afterward. Compared to our other videos, this is one of the dirtiest trucks we've ever cleaned. The vacuuming took us 30 minutes. It didn't have much garbage, crumbs, or food remains. It just had thick layers of dust covering all of the surface. Washing, steaming, and scrubbing stages were very long. Almost 1.5 hours of rubbing, brushing, and scrubbing the surface with soap and disinfectant. In the end, the owner was very happy with the job. We've taken a dirty, dusty truck that sat in the yard for several months and transformed it back into its beautiful glory. We hope you enjoyed this video as we enjoyed creating it for you. Thank you all for watching. See you soon in the next video.